Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, most gracious and merciful, whose blessings are uncountable, whose mercy is unlimited, whose love is our life, and whose worship is our faith. First, let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Salman Malik from BSCS, Sindh University Campus, Ladakana. As we all know, because of lockdown, universities are still closed. I decided to take online exam. So I am here for it. So let's move on to the outline now. Here it is. My first topic is matrix introduction. Second, types of matrix. Another one, transpose of matrix. And the last one, conjugate, complex, and transpose. Matrices. Matrix introduction. A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of number into rows and columns. For example, matrix A has two rows and three columns. So that is called row and these are called columns. Matrix has rows and columns collection. These are the rows and these are the columns. Matrix dimension. The dimension of a matrix tells its size, the number of rows and columns of a matrix. In that order, since matrix A has two rows and three columns, we write its 2 as 3, 2 multiplied by 3, pronounced by 2 by 3. In contrast, matrix B has three rows and two columns, so it is a 3 by 2 matrix. It has three rows and two columns. So that is called, we read it by 3 by 2. First we write row and then we write column. So here is the example for better understanding. When we working with matrix dimension, remember rows multiply by columns. So first we have to remember that the dimension of the matrix will be, first we have to write the row and then column, and means row multiply by column, row into column. So here's the first example we can see here. What are the dimension of matrix D? So what will the dimension of matrix D here? There are four rows and three columns. So that will be right by 3 by, sorry, 4 by 3. 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 by 3. Here is another example. What are the dimension of matrix E? So here we can see that there are 2 rows and 4 columns. So how we will write it? We write it by 2 by 4. What are the dimension of matrix F? Here we can see there are the 3 rows and only 1 column. So we will write here 3 by 1. Matrix element. What are the matrix element? Matrix element is simply a matrix entry. Each element in a matrix is defined by naming the row and column in which it appears. For example, consider matrix G. So this is so easy definition. I hope so you understand it. So here is the example. The element G21 is the entry in the second row and the first column. That is the second row and the first column. So our answer will be G21 is equal to 18. So we will find out the middle number. That is the middle number 18 first column and second row G21, that is called 18. Our answer will be 18. In general, the element in row I and column J of matrix A is denoted as Aij. So here what we have to find, the number we have to find. First is row, that is the first row, and 3, the third column. So here we will find the 8 number. So here B21. 2 means, first we will see 2 means row. First, I have already told you that you have to write the row and second the column. First column and the second row. First column and the second row means 4.6. Here the another example. Matrix C is a 2 by 3 matrix with C12 multiplied by 6. So which we have to find that which one will be the answer of it. So here is an example that row 1, row 1 and column 2, row 1 and column 2. So this is the answer, that is row 1 and column 2, 6. So here is my another topic, that is types of matrix. The various type of matrix are row matrix, column matrix, null matrix, square matrix, diagonal, upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, and rectangular matrix. What is row matrix? A row matrix has only one row but any number of columns. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. For example, here it is one row. Also here we have 4 columns, but in definition we can see that a row matrix is called row matrix when it has only one row, but there can be any number of columns. So this is a row matrix of order 1 by 4. 1 means row and 4 means column. In general, A is equal to Aij. 1 multiplied by n is a row matrix of order 1 multiplied by n. Column matrix. A column matrix has only one column, same as a row matrix. In row matrix, we have only one row, and in column matrix, we have only one column. There can be any number of rows. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. For example, here we can see that only one column and we have 4 rows. Same as row matrix. Is a column matrix of order 4 by 1. 4 means row and 1 means column. In general, beam is equal to Bijm multiplied by 1 is a column matrix of order m multiplied by 1. So here is another matrix, square matrix. A square matrix has a number of columns equal to the number of rows. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is said to be a square matrix. Thus, an m multiplied by n matrix is said to be a square matrix if m is equal to n and is known as a square matrix of order n. For example, we have 3 rows here and 3 columns. That is called square matrix. In square matrix, we have the number of columns and rows equal. Then it will be called square matrix. In a square matrix of order 3, in general, A is equal to Aij m multiplied by m is a square matrix of order n. Another type of matrix, rectangular matrix. A rectangular matrix is said to be rectangular if the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. For example, here we can see we have three columns, but we have four rows here. So it is not equal. That is called rectangular matrix. The diagonal matrix. A square matrix BBIJ is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are zero. That is, a matrix Bij is said to be a diagonal matrix if Bij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to 0. For example, here we can see that is diagonal, all other elements are 0. That is also, there are the three examples here. Only one element, or there is another, no one, any other number, that is also called diagonal. Here we have four in two rows and two columns. We can also say that in this matrix, square matrix, because we have here three columns and three rows. That is also the we can say that a rule that in diagonal matrix all the rows and columns should be equal. And the second thing is the other number should be zero. Here we can say that all numbers are zero, only these are numbers. So, zero null matrix. A matrix is said to be zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are zero. For example, we have three matrices here. That is zero. These are zero, and also these are zero. Upper triangular matrix. So, a square matrix in which all the elements below the diagonal are zero is known as the upper triangular matrix. So these matter the they should be zero. No matter if here also are zero, 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 any number there could be. But these should be zero, then it will be called upper triangular matrix. And it is similar to lower triangular matrix. So here we are. A square matrix means equal rows and equal columns, in which all the elements above the diagonal are zero, is known as the upper triangular matrix. For example, so here what we have that these three we have these are the zeros, that is called the lower triangular matrix. The other numbers, any number there could be, but these should be in zero. So here is another topic, transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix was introduced in 1858 by the British mathematician Arthur Cayley. In linear algebra, transpose of a matrix is an operator which flips a matrix over the diagonal. That is, it switches the row and column indicated of the matrix A by producing another matrix, often denoted by AT among other notations. So it is denoted by T. We have to do the transpose of matrix. What it do? It changes the rows into columns and columns into rows. So here we have the two rows. So we will change it to the in column 4 6 4 24 6 4 24 1 minus 9 and 8. Here we have 1 minus 9 and 8. Transpose of a 2 by 3 matrix to create a 3 by 2 matrix. That is, we have the example of transpose of matrix. conjugate of matrix. This is also somehow we can say that similar, but what we have to do in it, we have to do, I will tell you an example first. We should read the definition. A conjugate matrix is a matrix that is denoted by this obtained from a given matrix A by taking the complex conjugate of each element of A. Courant and Hilbert 1989 he invented the conjugate matrix. Aij and A dash ij we can write these. The notation A star A multiply is sometimes also used, which can lead to confusion since this symbol is also used to denote the conjugate transpose. So we have the example here, complex conjugates of matrix. Ordinal matrix we have and we have to change it in complex conjugate. But we have to change the signs. Complex conjugate change symbols. Plus into minus, minus into plus. So we can see there 2 plus 3i, that is 2 minus 3i, and I is changed into minus 6, remain same, and plus would become into minus, oh sorry, minus becomes into plus. So that is also here minus I into plus and minus into plus. After that, if we have to do the conjugate transport, that change row into columns and column to row, same. So 2 minus 3i minus I 6 plus 4i, that comes here, and 7 2 plus 3i and I, that comes here. These are not the correct dimensions for multiplication also. That's all. Thank you very much. I hope so. Uh, I have given a good presentation, but I am not so professional in it. So I hope our teacher will understand and also give us good marks. So that's all. God bless you and remember me in your prayers. For the office.